Sincoheren, established in 1999, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of medical and aesthetic equipment, including diode laser, fractional CO2 laser, YAG laser, IPL, and RF. Our headquarters is located in Beijing, with convenient transportation, and we have offices in Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and other cities. We have our own brands, including Mona Lisa, Cool Plus, Razor Laser, Unichill, X Matrix, and XQ Laser. In response to market demand, our R&D department is also constantly innovating products. We have been aiming for superior quality, first-class craftwork, safe package, prompt delivery, and comprehensive after-sales service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements, and we do our best to ensure your satisfaction. The modern quality management system, in line with international standards, ensures that we provide better products and services for our customers. We have obtained TUV, Medical CE, TGA, ISO 13485 certificates. Our customers are all over South America, North America, Europe, Australia, Middle East, Asia, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to talk and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We also welcome all customers to visit our company. Looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.